like a bird on a tree.
It works by you, the character, you the actor, taking on something of the quality of how it is you want the other character to be. This is how people get what they want, on the whole, is that if you step into a room and you want everyone to be upbeat, you're going to be a little bit upbeat. If you want everyone to pay attention and calm, then you manifest some of the thing that you want them to be. So it's all about actually transforming yourself, dictated by how it is you want the other character to be, and not thinking, oh, I've got to change myself. What you're doing is thinking about them and how you need them to be, which creates an unself-conscious transformation in yourself.